welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it's, so let's get started and get on with the tour. This is my mahogany tree. Well, it was here when we came. So it's been cut back so far since we've been here, and it's also got a bird living up there somewhere. But I've always wanted to grow mahogany, and it took a while for me to identify this particular tree. I had to wait until I saw the pods. There's some videos going around of creating like little fairy houses, and I'd love to do something just under here or even here and put some kind of small LED lights. But let's have a look at the pods. Oh, you get to see a lizard there. So these are the pods that grow. I guess it's the fruit and the seeds. This one was on one of the branches that were cut, and the fruit, the seeds are normally like a pale brown, like the colour of the leaves there, but I guess it must have cracked slightly and got water in. This other one hasn't opened yet, but I guess it was too early for it to come off the tree. That's why they're like that. So I've just left them. I'm not actually going to grow any here, but I've just left them. I do like the shapes of them, and would at some point like to see if I can grow the seeds. So that's my mahogany. It's not mahogany. This is a mahogany. I'll show you from another. So this is from another angle. You can see it here. They can actually grow to kind of 40 or 50 feet. So you have to not plant them near the house. But whoever planted this, I guess, didn't realise, because they do have really large, deep running roots that will, disturb the foundation, obviously. And like we can see here, we can see them here. Yeah, so that's mahogany. Thanks for joining me today. If you've never seen mahogany, I hope that this has given you an insight. It does grow throughout the Caribbean and in other places around the world. And the bark, I guess I could tell you about the bark. I can't tell you anything about the bark, but this is what this tree's bark look like. I have noticed, what else have I noticed? These, and I'm not sure what that is, whether it's lacking some nutrients or whether it's got some fungal infection. I'm not sure. Maybe what I'll start doing is I've made some compost tea, and to feed it, obviously I don't want it kind of growing out of control, but maybe it just needs some nutrients added to the soil so that it can thrive. Okay, so thank you for joining me. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow.